it's important that through you we ask Senator Cherargei, to at least for once, act as a senator and not like that sycophant who only wants to talk about things that are working. Mr. Speaker.
Order, honorable senators. Are we not? Order, honorable senators. Senator Fernandi, Senator Fernandi. Senator Fernandi, order. Now, Senator for Muranga, Senator John Nyutu, I will not allow absurdity. Once you take to the floor, ask your question to the honorable senator. Proceed.
Thank you. I'm guided, Mr. Speaker. I only mentioned his name because he mentioned my name.
Just proceed to ask your question.
Okay, Mr. Speaker, there is an organization in this country, and this goes to the CS, Mr. Speaker. May I be heard in silence, Mr. Speaker?
Senator Nyutu, your statements are drawing these unnecessary
I'm asking my question as guided by you, Honorable Speaker. That's what I'm doing.
Proceed.
Can I be heard in silence, Mr. Speaker? Proceed. So my question to the CS, Mr. Speaker, is there is an organization in this country, Mr. Speaker, kindly protect me from Senator Cherargei.
Senator Fernandi, what is your point of order?
Mr. Speaker, Standing Order 101 and 105. Is it in order for the distinguished senator, Munyoro Adeharan, to accuse me of being a sycophant when I'm doing my legislative and oversight work? Can he either substantiate or withdraw? We are not in a public library somewhere in Kenol. He can go and do his politics here, but not here, Mr. Speaker. I'm a man who has protected my name, Mr. Speaker, and reputation. I cannot be allowed by first-term senators to come and insult me.
Senator Nyutu.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. You would think that Senator Cherargei was born a senator and calling others a first-time senator. Yes, I am a first-time senator, Mr. Speaker, and proud to be so. Because Senator Cherargei was also once a one-time senator.
Senator Nyutu,
okay, my question.
That is not the point.
My question, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Nyutu, can you?
I'm asking my question. I'm asking my
question.
Order,
honorable senators.
I'm asking my question, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Nyutu, you
yes,
will
take
take my
Speaker.
instructions. Yes. So be quiet as the chair gives directions. A point of order has just been raised by the Senator Fernandi, that you've gone ahead to call him a sycophant. His point of order is, would you substantiate that statement? If not, then you proceed to withdraw and apologize. And ask your question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
That's a point of order that has been raised. You cannot interject.
Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, even as I follow your advice and guidance, and even orders, Mr. Speaker, Senator Cherargei has also referred to me as our Munyoro adherent. Mr. Speaker, probably, to be very fair, do we have such an outfit here in this Senate? And so, Mr. Speaker, I think let it be eye for eye. An eye for an eye, Mr. Speaker. He has referred to me.
Honorable Nyutu.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Nyutu, we cannot go down that route where absurdity breeds absurdity. I expected you or any other senator to raise on a point of order. The Senator Fernandi having called you that you're a, what was it again? Wamnyoro? Absolutely. The mere fact that no point of order was raised on that particular assertion. The chair cannot then intervene. But your assertion to the fact that the Senator Fernandi is a sycophant has attracted a point of order. Yours did not. In fact, I did not hear you in any way trying to raise a point of order on that assertion by Senator Fernandi. Nevertheless, the two senators, Senator Fernandi and Senator Nyutu, Senator Fernandi, you will proceed to withdraw that assertion. Thereafter, the senator for Muranga will proceed to withdraw the assertion calling you a sycophant. And thereafter, you will proceed to ask the minister your question. Senator Fernandi, proceed to withdraw that particular assertion.
Mr. Speaker, the word...
Withdraw that assertion.
Mr. Speaker, as I withdraw and apologize, the word adherent means you support an idea or party. So it is good that the senator has gone on record that this does not support him. So thank you, Mr. Speaker. I withdraw and apologize. Let the people of Muranga watch.
Senator Nyutu, proceed to withdraw that assertion.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I'll follow the cue from the experienced senator from Nandi and say that a sycophant is only somebody who says things to please somebody else somewhere. With that, I withdraw and apologize, and Mr. Speaker, now proceed to ask my question to the Honorable CS.